So at wellness clinic, I have ulcers, I have conditions like diabetes, I have an headache. Such conditions are also addressed, like wounds and so on.
Yes. So we have to be based on the platform of general medical practice, because that's when we can address the whole individual. So when people come, they come with their complaints, and the team can, for example, do things like testing for malaria, treating coughs, treating, peptic ulcers, treating wounds, as you say. So all those, we have to do them. And we feel that is our beginning point of engaging patients. Now, out of that, there are some who can have a condition that could be solved with medicine, but also with behavior counseling. And then we refer that person to the specialist in behavior counseling.
Wow, that's so good. So I read something about you, and I got to know that you are an author, and one of your books is Ambition and Keeping Up Appearances in the Making of a Doctor. So if all your books and crates were removed from the internet, what one advice can you give to the person listening to you right now?
Okay, so the book, the book you mentioned, that's the first book. The character is called Musa, and that character is a guy who goes through life. I don't want to say struggle through life because he enjoys life, but goes through life trying to find school fees and follow his ambition to become a doctor. But at the same time, because he enjoys life, he also has intentions, or he has attraction to the opposite sex. And because he comes from a poor background, he is forced to keep up appearances to impress the girls, even though he's poor. So that becomes our hero in the book. And I think the story that hero tells is that even if you come from a poor background, don't cut down on your life's enjoyment. You can still enjoy your life. You can still love and be loved. For example, don't be there, hide yourself on the corner and say, see rich boys who have money, who can go for girls, who can dance with girls. You can dance with them. And each one, especially now, that book is good for school. Each one in school has a talent that they should use and, remain in the limelight. There's nothing as important for a school kid as remaining in the limelight, being known and, being a hero or heroine. So, if you can sing well, sing and attract the opposite sex. If you can play football smartly, nicely, and attract the opposite sex. That's what adolescence is about. It's a period when we learn to attract the opposite sex. That helps us have a balanced lifestyle when we get married.
Okay, in simple terms, you're saying that let's experience life despite of where we come from, despite of what surrounds us. Let's live life fully. Let's experience its good and bad side. Thank you so much. So before we close this podcast, do you think we have left out anything that we didn't tackle?
No, I think just one emphasis.
Okay.
Which is that medicines that you're given at a clinic, they are supposed to use part of your treatment. But the leader of your healthcare team is you. Always. So always take the lead, ask what the nation is supposed to do, and take them because you are the leader, not because someone told you to take them. And also then you can also add other behaviors because you are the leader of your own health. We all just come in to help.
Okay, thank you so much for your time and for your coming. And I'm pretty sure that to whoever's been watching us will gain some much more knowledge compared to what they have been having. Thank you.